The Cateye Chevy Silverado, the Honda Civic of pickup trucks. You got soft hands, boy. You got soft hands.
This is argued as the best pickup truck ever built. And that's not me saying it.
There's a line of Tecuates, Edgars, Kyles, and Yee boys that will fight you 6 ways to Sunday if you say otherwise.
Cateye Silverado is what happens when reliability and chaos shake hands in a Walmart parking lot. Now you can get the V6 for gas mileage. Then of course, once your balls drop, you can upgrade to the LS 5.3 liter V8.
This truck has hauled everything from drywall to broken hearts to a suspicious couch at 2 a.m. It's been lowered, lifted, bagged, straight piped, and emotionally abused. And somehow, this motherfucker is still running.
Slam it and put it on 22s and cruise it like a lowrider. Or jack it up and put it on some mud tires and show them Jeep boys how it's done. Or hell, put some Mustang owners to shame with a sleeper highway dragster built, and hell, I wouldn't even doubt it, you could probably gap them while towing something too. With its LS-based Chevy engine, this truck is a blueprint for any performance truck build that you can ever dream of.
As far as the interior goes, it's basically that 90s simplicity that refuses to die. Look at those cloth seats. Wide and cushy, like a recliner your uncle or tío refuses to throw out. Soft fabric that doesn't burn you in the summer or freeze you in the winter. Bench seat option that turns a cab into a rolling couch. Perfect for sitting a third person in the front or bringing your sweetheart in for a long highway cruise.
For some Gawk 3000 front seat action. The Cateye interior is like a choose your own adventure book. It's just full of possibilities. The only thing stopping you is your imagination or how broke and single you are. And don't get me started on the performance mods and upgrades that are available for these trucks.
And for all my broke ass Edgars and Kyles out there, you can start with some simple mods. Cold air intake, long tube headers, and a straight pipe or muffler delete.
And if you want to turn it up a notch, throw in a Texas Speed or BTR cam, a higher stalled torque converter, add some 373 gears or 410 gears, and she'll wake up faster than a whore on welfare when rent is due.
Lastly, we gotta talk about reliability. Let's keep one thing real though. This generation of the 5.3 liter Vortec was overbuilt like a mofo. Combine that with minimal electronics, a solid rear end built to take hits, loads, and bad decisions, and one of the largest and most plentiful aftermarket supports of any other truck. It's no wonder you still see over 300,000 mile example of these trucks running strong.
The 4L60E transmission is not the strongest, but she's predictable. Treat it halfway decent, and it'll hang in there. But abuse it with burnouts and drifting out every day, and it'll tap out like a retired boxer. Basically, the Cateye Silverado is more reliable than a fat girl wearing sweatpants on cheat day. So, there you have it. If this doesn't convince you that the Cateye Chevy Silverado is the best American-made truck ever built, then go cry about it in your Prius while getting pegged by your girlfriend. America.
Yeah, well now I'm dodging potholes in my sunburned Silverado like a heartbroken desperado, headed right back to my roots. Something about the way she kissed me tells me she'd love Eastern Tennessee. Yet all I brought back with me was some sand in my boots.